Yaruko, Odwira.
His Royal Majesty Osiadia Yokwesi Ekufu III, the Akuapem Traditional Council, and the Office of Akuapem Hene invites you all to this year's Akuapem Odwira Festival.
The festival begins on Monday, 7th October and continues until Sunday, 13th October, with Feeder Fofi happening on 18th October 2024. This year's theme, Sustainable Development through Patronage of Ecotourism and Environmental Health, emphasizes the importance of safe and responsible visits to our natural areas.
The festival activities are as follows. Monday, 7th October, path clearing. Tuesday, 8th October, outdooring of the new yam and ushering in the Odwira.
Wednesday, 9th October, remembering all lost souls, the observance of Ukuda and the visit to the stool house.
Thursday, 10th October, Akuapem Hene sits in state. Ritual performance at Insorim, renewal of allegiance and the imposition of a traditional curfew.
Friday, 11th October, the Grand Derby with various traditional rulers and distinguished guests in attendance. Sunday, 13th October, a Thanksgiving celebration for a successful Akuapem Odwira Festival.
Finally, on Friday, 18th October, is the Feeder Fofi. For further inquiries, call 0244 412 754 or 059 588 6008. Oh, Akuapem, we pride ourselves on being the home of courtesy.